Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. Children's Day is just around the corner. November 14, a day to celebrate the joy, innocence and creativity of our little star. So in today's video, let's explore 20 plus fun and educational ideas to make Children's Day 2025 memorable in your school. Let us see some outdoor kid activities for Children's Day. First one, outdoor treasure hunt. For outdoor activity, a treasure hunt for kids is an excellent choice and a good fun activity. To start, create a theme map and hide some toys or note for the kids to find. Make sure to reward them appropriately for finding the treasure and following the instruction. This game for kids develop their observation and problem solving skill as they work in team to locate hidden treasure. Next one is mini Olympic. Mini Olympic activities like sack race, relay race, obstacle course keep kids active. This game for children they focus on fitness and friendly competition, which always help kids bond over teamwork and exercise. Small prize for all are apt for sense of accomplishment and joy. Next one is nature scavenger hunt. Organize a nature themed scavenger hunt where kids search for items such as leaf, flower or stone. The children learn from outdoor activity by becoming curious about the natural world and they can even create a scrapbook afterward. Next one is outdoor adventure trail. Create a mini adventure trail using balance beam and tunnel. It is one of the most exciting day activity for children, helping them improve their motor skills and confidence. Next one is team sports and games. Engage children in team sports activity such as football, tug of war, hide and seek and many more. All this evergreen kid activity facilitate team spirit, friendly competition and cooperation. Such activity give children a chance to indulge in physical play for fitness building and social skill development. Now let us see few indoor Children's Day celebration idea. First one is dress up parade. Suggest children to wear their favorite costume to replicate their family members like father and mother. Let them show off their skill of dressing like their parent and narrate a description about their character. Second one, organize movie night with family or friends. If the day is too busy, try organizing a movie night with family and friends for kids. This is fantastic fun activity. Ask children to come dress in their favorite night suit to have that relaxed feeling. Let them vote for their choice of movie. Next one, organize a puppet show. Engage children by organizing a puppet show around values like kindness or friendship. Relate the story using puppet. It is one of the best Children's Day idea for teachers as this activity inject fun while instilling value and encourage interaction through a story. Next one is costume craft workshop. Provide children with art supply to build their costume and accessories like bracelet, mask, painted rock, bookmark or fairy wing. Creative fun activities such as this encourage imagination and invite kids to make a wearable piece that they can feel proud of wearing again for other celebration throughout the year. Next one, dance and music party. Host a dance and music party where kids can showcase their dancing skill along with their favorite song. This game is one way for kids to self-express and is thus appropriate for any age group of children. Add lively music to the event, have them dance around freely and it will be a fun celebration. Next one is storytelling contest. Theme suggestion like kindness, friendship, Nehru vision. Age group can be for this activity 6 to 8 years or 9 to 12 years. You can give some rewards like a sticker, pencil or small badge. Then you can organize Drawing competition. Popular theme for this will be Children's Day drawing, then like My Dream India, Unity in Diversity, Children's of Future. Next activity is creative card making. Kids design card for teacher, parents or friend with heartful message. Poster contest like topic every children is special, child right or save the earth. Then craft workshop. Do it yourself paper toy, origami, recycle craft or painting with natural color. Next activity is talent show. Give every child a chance to shine. Singing, magic trick, poetry recitation or stand-up comedy can all be part of fun. Next one is teacher's surprise performance. Teacher can perform dance, skit or song to surprise their children, a gesture that students always cherish. Next one is class decoration and gift. Decorate classroom with balloons, handmade poster and banners. Distribute sweet or small gift as token of appreciation for children. The next special lunch or snacks. Organizing a special treat day with their favorite snacks, a pizza party or even fun potluck where everyone share food. Next can be social and awareness activity like kindness tree. Each child write one good deed they did or plan to do and hang it on the paper tree. Community self-drive. Older students can distribute sweets or book to underprivileged children nearby. Children's Parliament, a mock session where children play leader and discuss fun issue in school life. Then few games like musical chair, a classical and exciting game that keep everyone alert and laughing as the student race to grab a chair when the music stops. Next one, lemon and spoon race, a balancing challenge where children walk carefully with a lemon on a spoon, testing their patience and focus. Next one, sack race, a fun outdoor activity where students hop inside sack to reach the finish line. Great for teamwork and coordination. Next, guess the character game, a fun classroom game where students act out or describe a famous personality or cartoon and other guess who it is. Next one is balloon burst challenge. Students race to pop balloon using different technique. Laughter guaranteed. Quiz competition. Conduct a Children's Day themed quiz on general knowledge, famous personalities or fun fact about children's. Art relay race. Team take turns completing a drawing or poster, a creative and cooperative twist to the regular art competition. Next one, tug of war, a high energy group competition that encourage strength, unity and teamwork. Always a hit on Children's Day. So these were 20 plus exciting ideas to celebrate Children's Day 2025, both fun and educational. Remember, it's not just about event, it's about creating moment of joy, learning and love. As Chacha Nehru said, the children of today will make the India of tomorrow. So let's make this Children's Day truly unforgettable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, hype and share with other teachers and parents, and subscribe to MJ Manjari for more creative school celebration ideas and educational update.